Hello everyone, this is John, Data Science Career Transition Expert. So today in this video, we will be continuing this Python coding exercises. This is going to be episode number 6, where we are going to continue this HackerRank coding challenges. And again, I would like to set the disclaimer clear. You need to have Python intermediate programming level skills so that you can get into this particular part and solve even the easiest problem statements in HackerRank. In case if you would like to get trained properly, feel free to reach out to our operations team. So they will send you all the necessary details, and you will need to get trained properly so that you can work on this, or else this is going to be a very big milestone for you to complete even a simple problem. All right, let's continue. So here I'm just clicking on this Python. So I think my screen is visible to you all. So Python part, and I'll prepare by topics. I logged into this HackerRank. I think you should be knowing it. So this is solved, and if else is solved, arithmetic is solved. So let me click on basic, easy, and introduction. And here I need to solve loops. Okay, fourth statement is loops. Let me click on this. Yeah. So here, let us try to read this. The provided code stub reads an integer n from standard input for all non-negative integers, meaning all positive numbers. So print I square. For example, if it is reading a number like 5 square is 25. If it is reading a number 6 square is 36. The point is, we have to get a number, let's say 6 has to be multiplied with 6 itself. If you are reading a number 10 has to be multiplied with 10 itself. Basically, n multiplied by n. That's what simple. So I'll try to, here it is okay. Let's take a read on it. If n is equal to 3, the list of non-negative integers that are less than n is equal to 3. Okay, for example, it has to read like 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, print the squares of each number in a separate line. Okay, the point is, it is not like 6 square. Not only I wanted to print that, I just want to receive a number. Okay, see this example, it is very clearly given. Example, n is equal to 3. So, list of non-negative integers, meaning, see, I less than n, meaning if it is 3, what are the numbers less than n? 0, it should start from 0, 0, 1, 2, right? So this is all positive numbers basically. So I wanted to square this 0, 1, 2. That's what the point. So what I'm doing, so for that, I'll come here. I'll write, first I'll receive an input from the user, like this, copy, Control C. Let me come back here. So for that, I need to write a for loop. For example, for I in range of whatever the number I'm just receiving it here, n. Okay. I'll say print. For example, if I'm receiving number 3, it will start from range 3, meaning what? It's range meaning start from 0 less than this particular number, right? So if the number is 3, 0, first it will get, I will get 0, and 0 it will be printed like I multiplied by, it need to print I itself. And here we know that the range, how it will work, it will be automatic. Next step size, it will automatically increase step number 1. If you're able to see I plus 1, you can, I think you should know for loop here to work on this. So automatically the number will be incremented by 1. In case if you want, you can add it like in I plus 1. If you want, you can add it, or else you can leave it. That's okay. Anyway, it will get automatically incremented by 1 itself. Okay, yeah. So n is nothing but 5, and the number will be multiplied by the same number itself. Let me print. Let's say it will be 3. Oh, it is not printing. Name I is not defined. Okay. Anyway, let me not use this. Automatically, yeah. So now if you see, numbers starting from, what are the numbers? 0, 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. That's what the question. Let me copy these 2 lines. Control C. Let me come back here. Let me paste it. And let me take a read on it. The provided code stub reads n, okay, it is reading it. For all non-negative integers, I less than n, print I square. That is I less than this particular n, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, I square. Okay, great. For example, if it is receiving number, okay, let us say 5, it should go 1, 0, 1, 4. Okay, that's what we already printed it. So anyway, let me click on this run code and see. I clicked on run code. It is taking some time. See, that's why I just put it on our Jupyter notebook, and I've just run it because it will take a long time. If you are checking every time one by one, it takes long time. So that's why I just run it, and I got to see it is good. It is correct. So that is correct. Maybe if you want to test against a custom input, let me click on custom input. Maybe I'll say 56, or no, 56 bigger number. Maybe I'll say 10. In case if you want to see strip, is it available? It should be available. See, if it is not available, what will happen? The last few videos I've seen it, right? See this. If I'm clicking on run code, I think it will throw some errors. Because it spaces and everything. Let me see. It is able to read, that's okay. But if it is not, strip function has to be deployed. Okay, anyway, it has taken it. Without even strip function, this Python console is having the capacity to take it. Anyway, so we got the numbers here, output compilation successful. Let me click on submit button. So it is just starting to compile against multiple conditions. Test case 0, test case 1, meaning 2 different cases it is trying by sending 2 different inputs. And in 2 test cases it passed. Now let me click on, okay, submit code, I've already clicked it. So let me wait for some time, maybe 10 seconds, until we get that congratulations message, as I already told you. Yeah, we got it. Now we can move on. See this? You have earned 10 more points. You are now 25 points away from the second star for 29% of your Python badge. I'm going to earn this Python badge. So that is, we will grab it shortly. But let me click on next challenge and we can work on it. But here I would like to stop it. The next challenge, here it is something like extra, but I need to see whether it is coming in our segment or not. That's why if it is giving you next challenge, don't directly go into this. Always click on this introduction part and check. See this Python basic, easy, and introduction. So here you can solve this. Okay, I solved this loops, Python division, arithmetic operator solved. Print function is pending. Yeah, and this in this particular you should see. That's why it is very important. Go this as per the segment, or else you will feel stuck. Okay, it is very difficult if you're going along with that next challenge. Do not go ahead with it. Every time come back here, make sure it is checked and accordingly solve this. Next challenge is print function, which I will disclose the solution in the next video. Alright, so this is how I'll be solving it. Again, go back. Have the habit of checking your profile and your dashboard, this segment. Okay, this segment. So here I'm able to see totally 4 items on Thursday I've uploaded. That is June 1, I've uploaded it. Okay, so this is my dashboard, current dashboard now. So let me see you all tomorrow in the next video where I'll be solving the print function. What is the problem statement? We'll take a read and we'll be solving it. All right. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like it, you can hit the like button and please click on share button to share with your friends and let them also take benefit out of this. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye now.